For decades, the cities of Makati and Taguig have been locked in a heated territorial dispute over Fort Bonifacio, including the bustling Bonifacio Global City and the surrounding EMBO barangays. This conflict has shaped local governance, affected residents, and drawn national attention. Makati, long asserting administrative control, challenged the Court of Appeal's earlier decisions that favored Taguig. The stakes were high, with both cities presenting their strongest arguments and evidence to claim this valuable and strategic area. As the case escalated to the Supreme Court, the nation watched closely, awaiting a final and authoritative resolution to this long-standing rivalry. At the heart of the legal battle were competing claims and a mountain of evidence. Makati argued that its administrative control and historical presence in the area justified its jurisdiction. On the other hand, Taguig countered with cadastral surveys, historical maps, presidential proclamations, and legislative acts, all consistently placing Fort Bonifacio within its boundaries. The Supreme Court had to determine whether the Court of Appeals erred in upholding Taguig's claim, and if Makati could prove a superior legal right. The case became a test of the weight of documentary, historical, and cadastral evidence in resolving territorial disputes between local government units. In its decisive ruling, the Supreme Court dismissed Makati's petition and affirmed the Court of Appeals' decisions. The court held that Taguig is the lawful territorial and political authority over Fort Bonifacio, Bonifacio Global City, and the EMBO barangays. Applying principles of territorial jurisdiction, the court emphasized that boundaries must be resolved based on competent legal, historical, and cadastral evidence, not on administrative convenience or claims of longstanding control. The ruling settled the long-running dispute, providing clarity and finality for both cities and their residents. Taguig's jurisdiction over the contested areas is now firmly established, marking the end of a significant chapter in local governance.